Okay, so we have already done some examples in our previous video, and now we're going to do a little more examples on first and follow. I have already given 3 strings, so this is an I. Okay. Now I'm going to choose which one initially for first and follow. I'm going to choose the simplest one. So here I can see that for S, what I have I and A. So there, since this is a simple one, so I'm just going to write S initially. This is the first and this is the follow. Then S prime. For S prime, E and epsilon naught is my first position. And then E. For E, B is the only one, so writing here B. Okay, now follow. In case of follow, what I have here, S. How many times S has come inside? Here. S has a follow, which is S prime, which is a non-terminal. Now what we know in this case, if it is a non-terminal, we have to find the first of that non-terminal. We have already found out the first. So what I'm going to do, we're going to replace this. We're going to replace S prime with, let me write the whole thing, E, I, E, T, S, S prime. Okay. We're going to replace this one. Replace this one by E. So since it is a terminal, so I have E. So let me write here E. Then I have epsilon naught. If I remove here, and this is epsilon naught. Since this is epsilon naught, that means it is empty. So since it is an empty, I have to come up here and follow. Find the follow of this one. Since both are S, so I don't have any to do. And I have to also add a dollar, since this is a default, it's a start node, so I have to add a dollar here. So E and dollar is my follow for S. Now S prime. S prime came here. S prime has any follow? No, no follow. So what we're going to do, we're going to find the follow of S. What we have already got, follow of S, E, comma, dollar. Any more time S prime has came? No. Then this is my follow. Both are the same. Now E equal to B. E has came anywhere? Yes, E has came here. E has a follow? Yes, E has a follow, which is T. Writing here T. Any more time? No. Then T is the only follow. Let's see another example. S equal to ASC, B. Okay, they have already given 3. So let's see. Both of them has a non-terminal in its first position, B and C. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find the first of C initially, because it has both of the terms on terminal. It is easy to do. So small c and epsilon naught written here. Now what I have to do, I'm going to come up here in S. First of S is A. Another one is B, but B is a non-terminal. What I have to do, I have to find the first of B. What is first of B? I can see here first of B is small b and C. Now this is another non-terminal. That means I have to find the first of C. Now I have already find out the first of C. Just I am going to replace here. Come here and replace it. So C can be replaced by capital C, can be replaced by small c. So I am going to write a small c and epsilon now. So come up here, epsilon. Thus epsilon B, C, D. Okay. There is another one that is here. Written small here. Okay. I have another, by mistake I have forgotten, that is D. D is also a part here. D is, so in that sense I will have another one that is D. Thus this is my first for B. Now I have to replace all these values with here. So I am going to replace B by small b, then it will be small b. If I replace with small c, it will be small c, epsilon, epsilon, then dd. Thus this is my first for S. Now we have completed the first segment. We are going to find the follow ones. For S, what is the follow? I have seen S here once, so S has a follow E. Written here E. Any more S here? No. Then dollar will be by default. Now for B, follow of B. B has come up here. Okay. B has any follow? No. What I have to do? I have to find the follow of S. So I have already found the follow of S. So that is E and dollar. Now any more time B has come. Okay, B has come here. B has a follow C, which is a non-terminal. That means I have to find the first of C here. Find the first of C. What is the first of C? First of C is C, epsilon and D. I have to now replace these values with here. So let's just B, C, F, epsilon, C. If I replace here C with small c, it will be small c. Now if I replace small c with epsilon, it will be empty. That means it will be F. I am written here F. And then if it is D, then B has in next position D. Written here D. And thus this is my follow for B. Then comes C. C has come here. C has come here once. C has a follow, that is F. C has come here, but it has no follow here. So what are we going to do? We are going to find the follow of B. What is the follow of B? B has E, dollar, C, D. Now I am going to see here again. C has again come up here, and C has a follow, which is G, non-terminal. That means I am going to add here G. And thus this is my first and follow for this part, these grammars. Let's check another problem, and this is the final one. S equal to A. So right here, this is my first term, this is also my first term. Then A has two terminals, non-terminals, so let's just wait. E has terminals in it, so first one is dollar, then another is epsilon, written here. T also has some non-terminals, so that is bracket A, B, C. Okay, now find A. A prime equal to TE. T is a non-terminal, so I'm going to find the terminal of T. Sorry, first of T. T is this ones. So if I replace T with bracket, it is bracket, it is A, it is B, it is C. All of them will work. Now I have to find the follow. In case of follow, what we're going to do, we're going to check S. S has come here in here? No. So it is dollar. So this one be A prime, this will be normal A. Okay. A has come up here. So A has a follow, that is closing bracket. So let's give here closing bracket. Then what we have to check? E. E has come up here. E has come up here, but it has no follow. Since no follow, what we're going to do? We're going to check the follow of A. Follow of A is closing bracket. Then come up here E. E has any follow? No. We're going to come up here. Both are same, so nothing to be doing more. We're going to close it. And then finally T. T has here. T has E as his non-terminal as his follow. So we're going to fetch it. Let's giving second bracket here first. Then T here also has T as it. So I've already written one time closing bracket, nothing, no need to do again. And T hasn't come anymore, so only this. Okay, a small mistake here, that is, in case of finding T, I found E is a non-terminal. So what I have to do? I have to come up here and find the first of E. Since I'm going to find the first of E, I have found here dollar and epsilon. So what I have to do? I have to change T dollar, then it will be a dollar, then epsilon will be, then it is E again. So since it is E again, then I have to find the follow epsilon. Since epsilon, so actually this will be E. Since it is epsilon, so T is single again. So since T is single, its follow will be again coming to back to A. A is what? A is second closing bracket. So this one is, and thus these are the follow of these sentences. I hope you understand this. If you try to practice these things more and more, pause the video, practice yourself, then match the results with the videos. And if you still have any kind of confusions, to comment below. If you like the videos, like and share. Thank you.